go.
Whoa! 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 Over my head!
Welcome to Canadoodle Toy Reviews.
Hudson, what toy are we playing with today?
We're playing Nerf Nitro!
Nitro!
Nerf Nitro Duelfury Demolition. Hudson, what's in the box?
There's guns and a ramp and a rolling thing and some cars.
That's so cool. What do you think? Should we open it up?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Open this up. Well, the full squishy and the wheels move and the flu can drive.
Oh, they go really fast. Whoa.
It looked like it go really fast.
Now we'll open the big box.
Yay.
Look, there's more cars.
It does.
Well, these guns and these fire and those ramps and those and these cars.
That's a lot of cool stuff. What should we do first?
The guns.
Oh, wow, that goes fast.
Oh! Hey, these are fast.
Those are really fast. Okay, try to get him in the ring of fire.
Okay.
Oh, almost.
Try again.
Try another one.
Lee Road.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Made it
Nice. Should we go try the cars on the floor?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Let's race these cars. Come on, set, go.
Whoa. Nice, Daddy.
Fire!
Whoa.
Mold!
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
Oh!
Nice.
Who's going to shoot the most barrels?
Let's see.
Here we go!
Here we go.
Oh, I missed!
I don't think anybody got a barrel. Reload, reload.
Reload! 1, 2, 3, fire! Oh, you got mine! That was my barrel!
Good job, buddy. Reload,
I
reload.
got 2 barrels, I don't got any. 1, 2, 3, go! Whoa! I know I got 2. 1 barrel.
Hurry, Hudson, shoot the barrel down, hurry.
Ah!
What was it?
Yes.
Hudson got it? Good job, buddy.
Can we do a jump over daddy?
Yeah.
Let's see.
You set, go.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Whoa! Over my head!
Oh no, drivers are coming.
What are we gonna do?
I don't know. I think we need to shoot them.
Okay, let's shoot him.
Let's get him!
Shoot him down.
Fire! Reload!
Reload.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go!
Nice.
Oh, I got the long neck in the neck.
Nice. Keep going, get more.
Oh no! What's that?
That's a dragon.
Oh no.
He's coming!
Come on, shoot it.
Come on, we gotta shoot him! Ah! Oh, got him in the head.
Daddy, hurry.
Oh,
Nice. He's not falling down.
go get the car!
What?
It's coming!
I got
I'm gonna get you.
You know what can only defeat the ice dragon? Fire. Hudson, you gotta shoot him! to the ring of fire. Again. Fire. Oh, you gotta do it again, Hudson. Nice. There we go, one more time. Daddy, gotta get more cars.
Nice, Daddy. Be careful.
Reload. Fire. Fire.
Nice.
Off the ramp. Fire. Yes.
Nice. Get him down.
Fire. Oh.
Almost.
He's on his tail.
Almost. Shoot again.
Fire.
Ah!
Likes his tail.
Got him. Good job.
This one coming this next one, a T-Rex and that guy and the Brontosaurus.
Get him.
Get up, reload.
Shoot.
Yes.
They're running away.
Who is?
A Triceratops.
They're running
We
away.
won the day.
Woohoo!
We won the day. High five.
Good job.
You want to see more? The planet is not mine.
Bye.
Please click on these videos with more Canadoodle Toy fun.